Just a second, just for 1 second. I can also. But thank you so much. Thank you for being here. God bless you. I've never done anything original in my life. Okay, I'll sing a line with him.
Which you want to sing? Your
I only
favorite
know
song?
Smack That. Yes, my favorite song.
Smack that,
On the floor.
smack that.
Okay, I think he should only sing.
Shahrukh, Akon, Kareena, Ravan, Smack That. Mani Ratnam's Ravan, starring Abhishek and Aishwarya, and now Anubhav Sinha's Ravan. Similar sounding names. Another controversy happening over here?
No, ours is called R-A full stop O-N-E. And I think that is Ravana, Ravan. Based on the, I think it's, I don't know about the story, but I think it's a modern version of the mythology.
Right.
Ours is a superhero film. And it's a little different, yeah. What to tell you? But there won't be any controversy, I think.
International singer Akon is singing and composing a song in Ravan. After seeing the camaraderie between Shahrukh and Akon, one can only say, बहुत याराना लगता है.
He's really been gracious. I'll really be honest. He's been very, very gracious. And what I love about him is the fact that he only wants to work. He's not so gracious that he won't charge for anything. Okay, this is. He's such a positive and nice guy. So we'll start with some goodness. Okay, I'll sing a line with him.
Which you want to sing? Your
I only
favorite
know
song?
Smack That. Yes, my favorite song.
Smack that,
On the floor.
smack that.
Okay, I think he should only sing.
Let's bring you some fun moments from this press conference.
You don't make a controversy. There won't be a
I'm
controversy.
not saying I'll be making it, but there is a possibility of that.
I'm doing it for my kids.
I know.
You have kids?
I have one.
They'll like it then.
Sure.
So go and tell
I have a
them
daughter.
today we launched the film for your kids.
Definitely.
But it's
In
not a
fact,
kiddie film.
It's not a kiddie film.
We would love him to do all the songs, even the ones that Kareena is supposed to sing. But the voice is not suiting. We are trying, we're still trying.
All right, one last question. Is
Last, promise. Otherwise I take charge money from you now. I charge for everything. You have to force him to party. You have to ask him, even this he's not enjoying. He's like, when am I going to get into the studio and sing? Hamari to shaadi ho gayi na, we just got married. So now we are going to coordinate clothes and move around like this. हाँ ये भी ऐसा ही है सारा कुछ हमने see we are very creative people even when we don't want to be so. Yeah darling, and if, for you I'll wear the underwear over the tights only for you. Smack that on the floor, smack that.
I wouldn't want to comment on that right now.
Yeah darling, I'm just a follower of every movie star. I've never done anything original in my life. Of course, when he has the time, he's gonna come and we'll get Kareena to show him some moves. Yeah, some special dancing moves Kareena can't teach him. Yeah, so. Okay, for Kareena, he's gonna sing Beautiful.
Beautiful?
I've always wanted to be a rock star, so I'm just gonna. I'll just act as if I'm doing this stuff.
Almost the entire film industry is on Twitter right now. So do we see Kareena joining the bandwagon as well?
Well, I'm still toying with the idea. I mean, I'm not sure if it is yet. Probably in the next 1 month or so. But I haven't decided.
Having seen Shahrukh go through some tough times in the last month or so, it's good to see him enjoying like this. This is Faridoon Shahryar with cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hangama News Network. Time for some beautiful.
You're so beautiful, so damn beautiful. Said you're so beautiful, so damn beautiful. See, you're so beautiful, 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 beautiful. You're so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh.